Look at that. Little wrench that they give you so that you can go ahead and adjust it when you take it to get aligned. Good old stickers, decals. Man, things are massive, you guys. Oh, hell yeah, look at that. Just massive, you guys. So these are the right side ones. Got the right stamped on there. Left. Oh wow, dude. This is nice. Wow. Hell yeah. Look at these things, you guys. Man. Dude, these things are, they're heavy. They're really heavy. Wow. Holy hell, dude. So this is how they adjust. Check this out. You have them on there. And while they're on your truck, you can actually adjust them. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yep. I'm gonna end up wrapping these. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can actually take the little plaque right here. Let's see. Oh, that's so cool. I was wondering if you could actually take these off in case you wanted to paint them or wrap them. In my case, I'm going to end up wrapping them. And you can actually take them off. That's pretty damn cool, you guys. Check it out. Oh, that's hella cool. You can put them back on, paint them whatever color you want. Give you a little touch. Put them back on. Oh, hell yeah. I was wondering about that. I thought they were riveted in there. You wouldn't be able to take them off. That's pretty cool. Sorry if you guys hear my dogs barking, but they're out there barking at everything that they see. That's hella cool. That is really cool. Then you got the caps. Yeah, that's pretty cool, you guys. So you don't get no dust, no grime, no nothing, you know, when you're driving. Oh, this is hella cool. And this is for a lift kit from, I believe, 4 to 6 inches, I believe. I think is what I got. Could be wrong, but I'll check. So for the lift size that I got, I ended up getting, yep, 2 to 4 inches. That's what I got. So they're not the 4-6, 2-4, because I have a Max Track 7-inch lift kit, and in the front it lifts it, I believe, 2.5 inches with the coil springs. So that's why I got these right here. Now I opt to go with the greasable polyurethane ends instead of the FK rod ends, just because, you know, the FK rod ends, they get dirty and they start squeaking, they get rusted, all that. These right here, they're gonna last a long time, you guys. And I don't plan on off-roading, I don't plan on doing any of that. I do have a pavement princess, doesn't see any off-road at all, but this is what I ended up getting. So yes, again, Core 4x4, you guys. Lifetime warranty. You break it, they replace it. Spence over there, he ain't playing around with this, man. Look at this. And then the ball joints, I believe they're Moogs, right? Yeah, so the ball joints, they're Moog problem solver ball joints. So you can just go into basically any, you could go to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, whatever the hell, wherever you want to go, and you can just get a replacement and you'll be good to go. So we got these right here. So again, this is when you go ahead and take it to the lineman shop, make it easy for the lineman technician to dial it in, and you're good to go. 2 to 4 inches lift kit. So this is actually going to work with your zone lift kits on 4-wheel drive trucks, your BDS, your rough country, pretty much all. It's going to work with anything, you guys. And if you have something that lifts your truck up in the front more than 6 inches, they have that option too. So we got those. I got the rear Panhard. Look at this thing, you guys. And the rear upper control arms. I already have the rear lower control arms and the sway bar end links. And just with that alone, the ride is awesome, dude. Look at these guys. Johnny Jones at both ends, so you could go ahead and adjust it while it's on the truck. Look at that. So, rear uppers, rear Panhard, the front upper control arms, like I said, I already have the lower ones, the rear lower ones, and the sway bar end links. You guys ain't gonna break these, you guys. Seriously. Look at that. Damn. These things are badass, man. They are badass. Wow. That is hella cool. Well, you guys, It was just a short video, man. I don't make videos. But since Spence over at Core 4x4 hooked it up, I decided to make a unboxing video, and I'll make a video of us installing these. My buddy Dave also got his front upper control arms. He already has the rear upper and lower control arms, the sway bar end links. He doesn't have the Panhard, but you should be getting that pretty soon. But man, my suspension is fully upgraded now, you guys. Oh man, I can't wait. I really cannot wait to install all of this. It probably won't be installed until about a week or two from now. We're going to be doing Dave's first. He's got a 2017 Ram 1500, a gray one, lifted also with a Max Track lift kit, 7-inch on 35s. Mine is 7-inch with 37s. Hell yeah. This is badass, you guys. Hey Spence, Core 4x4, thank you, you guys. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Alright, you guys, so let's check out what I have on my truck right now. Like I said, I have the rear lower control arms, the sway bar end links, so these are the end links right here from Core 4x4. The rear sway bar is the stock one. I'm going to be replacing the Panhard. Here you can see the lower control arms. I got the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series shocks. .37s, 7-inch lift kit. These are the stalkers. Hell yeah, you guys. That's my work van. Tonneau cover, fender flares. Hell yeah.